one of the monthly activities for our data quality is to here it is, clean the pieces with isopropyl alcohol. Those are the inlet pieces. So I'll just do a quick demonstration of how to do that. So here we have a clean Kim wipe, our clean work area, and basically this is the inlet, and it has a plastic insert inside that comes out if we tap it. So basically, there it is. And we're going to basically just carefully clean everything with alcohol. So that includes giving it spritz, wiping it down really well. Use the other side of the Kim wipe. And similarly, there's a little cone there that we're going to have special Q-tips to clean with. It's like similar to this little brush. But it's really important to get in there as well because dirt can accumulate there. So let that dry off from the alcohol. And similarly, give this a little spritz. This isn't alcohol, so I'm not actually spritzing it. But it's the same idea. Clean it really well. Clean all the nooks and crannies. And that's what this little brush is for. So we have special brushes here. It goes into these holes. There's basically this top inlet and this component of the cyclone, which needs to be cleaned. So you can see that it may have some dirt accumulated in there. And then again, we would go over it really well to make sure, use plenty of isopropyl alcohol and then leave it to dry for a few minutes. And when it is dry, then we can reassemble it. And we can put in our filter back in and prepare it. And then we would simply write in our sample sheet that we did in fact clean it with isopropyl alcohol. The other items here are to collect a blank filter. And so a blank filter is basically just when you put a filter into the device but take it right back out. And so that's to try to assess the total amount of contamination in our process apart from the actual sampling period. So every month we'll do one for Teflon and one for quartz, and then we'll also measure the flow in each of these inlets to make sure it's at 2 liters per minute where it should be. We can also measure the temperature, pressure, and humidity from this box. And since we're co-located with regulatory instruments, we'll compare it with the values from the India station there. And we can just do that hopefully by looking at the data from the website for the time that we were there.